Welcome to Brain Body Foods. We are a channel where you can make informed decisions about the foods you eat for your brain, body, and overall health. Make sure to subscribe by clicking the button below and pressing the bell icon to never miss an update again from Brain Body Foods. Today, we will unravel all the creamy nutrition that comes out of eating avocados. In fact, we will give you 8 of those benefits. Also, while you are watching the videos, be sure to keep an eye out for an awesome fact hidden in the list. Remember to stick around until the end of the video to find out the number 1 benefit of avocados. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Avocado. Even if it is a well-known food in the most of Europe, USA, and Mexico, many of us don't know the exact origin of the humble avocado. Now, is it a fruit or a vegetable? Avocados are actually a fruit, and botanically they are considered a berry. They cover the basic criteria of a berry, such as having a fleshy pulp and a seed. And according to the California Department of Public Health, avocados originated in southern Mexico and Colombia around 7,000 years ago. Now there are over 500 varieties of avocados grown all over the world. Avocados are a tropical plant, and Mexico is actually the largest avocado producing country in the world, by supplying 45% of the international avocado market. Other avocado producing countries include the Dominican Republic, Peru, Colombia, and others. Avocados are becoming more and more popular and versatile with its creamy and buttery texture, gaining the title superfood. Avocados are a great way to lose your weight, which takes us into number 8. Number 8. Avocados can help you lose weight. It is found that foods with a high fat and high fiber content can help you feel fuller and feel satisfied for a longer period of time. It is partly because that fat and fiber helps to slow the release of food into your stomach, and fiber takes a longer time to digest properly. So, as the stomach is working for a longer time than usual, you feel fuller or satisfied for a longer period of time. And simply put, that you will not feel hungry that easily, which will allow you to take longer breaks between meals without snacking and potentially taking in lower calories overall. Now, avocados are full of fats and fibers, so that means they can have a serious impact on your weight loss journey. Simply put, in 100 grams of avocados, there are 7 grams of fiber present, which is 27% of the recommended daily amount that people need. Avocados are also rich in the good fats, which we will cover later, which results in a reduced cholesterol level and greatly contributes to the weight loss process. In a study, it was found that people felt 23% more satisfied after a meal that contained avocado compared to meal plans without any avocados. Number 7. Avocados have more potassium than bananas. Potassium is a mineral which is a great part of the nutrients that most of us do not get enough of. This mineral is directly involved in the muscle contraction, heart function, and water balance. It helps with the proper functioning of body systems such as the nervous, heart, and muscles. Whenever we hear the word potassium, the image of bananas comes to our mind instantly. We know that bananas are a primary source of potassium, and that is true. It contains a great deal of potassium. But what about the case of bananas versus avocados? Well, avocados contain actually more potassium than bananas. It was found that in a comparison of 100 grams of avocado and banana servings, the avocado contains 14% of the daily recommended amount of potassium, whereas bananas, which is known as a potassium fruit, contains around 10% of the recommended amount. Number 6. Avocados are great for your vision. There are two types of phytochemicals, lutein and zeaxanthin, that are found in the avocado, and these phytochemicals are specially directed to the eyes. They provide antioxidant protection to minimize the damage, including damage from the ultraviolet rays. They also maintain good eyesight and helps with improving night vision. The monosaturated fats in avocados also supports the absorption of antioxidants like beta-carotene, which reduces the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. These are eye-related problems which are found common in older adults. So eating avocados can actually benefit your eyes over the long term. Number 5. Avocados help to absorb nutrients from other plant-based foods. Now remember, the presence of nutrients from our food is not enough if the nutrients aren't absorbed into the body properly. These nutrients must be moved from the digestive tract to your body where they can be utilized. There are certain foods which enables or improves this ability of the body to absorb the nutrients properly, and these are sensibly called superfoods. And avocados is on top of these superfood lists. Some nutrients are fat soluble. It means that they need to be combined with fat in order to be utilized. Vitamins A, D, E, and K are fat soluble, along with antioxidants like carotenoids. One study showed that adding avocado or its extracts to either salad or salsa can increase antioxidant absorption by 2.6 to 15-fold. So, besides of having the most of the nutrients to itself, avocados can dramatically increase the nutritional values of other plant-based foods by helping it to be absorbed by the body. Now, if you don't want the precious nutrition of the veggies in your diet to get wasted, it's great to include avocados as a fat source into your diet. If you're enjoying this so far, or have some facts or health benefits of avocados that I have not mentioned yet, or if you have more suggestions for what foods you'd like me to cover, then let me know in the comment section below. Also, write down your favorite avocado recipes too. We would love to try them. Before I move on, I have a quick avocado fact for you. Avocado peel is not good for dogs or cats. Now, there is a kind of poison present in avocados. It is called persin. It is an antifungal compound present in the leaves and skin and the seed of avocados. Now, dogs and cats do not appear to be sensitive to this poison, although other animals are. So the peel of the avocados can actually make your dog or cat sick. So be sure to toss the peel of the avocados into the bin before your dog or cat gets to it. Now, let's get back to our list. Number 4. Avocados are loaded with heart-healthy fats. Fat is a major source of energy and helps your body to absorb nutrients of other foods properly. Now, there is a risk that too much fat can be injurious for our bodies. But the thing is that there are two types of fats, saturated and unsaturated. Saturated fats are also called the bad fats, as they increase the cholesterol level of the blood, which can lead to serious health conditions. Now, it is prescribed by doctors to keep away from these fats. On the other hand, unsaturated fats are referred to as good fats, and they are prescribed to replace the saturated fats in our diet. The 77% of calories in avocados actually comes from fat, making it the most fat-containing fruit we know of. Avocados are virtually the only fruit containing two unsaturated fats, including monosaturated fats and polyunsaturated fats. It is in fact 75% of the avocado fats which are good fats, and in 50 grams of avocados, 5 grams contains monosaturated fat and only 1 gram contains polyunsaturated fat. Now, The major fats of avocados are oleic acid, which is a monosaturated fat, and this has been associated with reduced inflammation. So, these unsaturated fats in the avocados can help keep the cholesterol levels in your blood low and help absorption of other nutrients in your body. Number 3. Avocados are a natural antidepressant. Recent studies show that folate deficiency can be a major cause of the development of depression. Low folate levels are found to be linked with a poor response to antidepressants. Furthermore, increase in homocysteine level is proof of folate and vitamin B12 deficiency. Increased levels of homocysteine are found in depressed patients, so foods with a high level of folate can essentially work as an antidepressant. This homocysteine is a substance that can impair circulation and delivery of nutrients to the brain. Now, avocados are rich in folate, so the folate can actually reduce the amount of homocysteine. Hence, folate found in avocados can be quite useful in using it against depression, and excess homocysteine can interfere with the production of serotonin, dopamine, norepinephrine, which all regulate mood, sleep, and appetite. So essentially, avocados are good for the brain and body too. Number 2. Avocados may even prevent cancer. Cancer is a serious disease which can easily lead a person to death. The main reason behind this deadly disease is the mutation of multiple genes. Researchers suggest that folate can protect against undesirable mutations of DNA and RNA during the cell division process. It was found that adequate intake of folate from food has shown promise in protecting against colon, stomach, pancreatic, and even cervical cancers. As the avocados are filled with folate, it can be a great way to fight cancer. Researchers have also found that phytochemicals extracted from avocados can inhibit the growth of precancerous and cancerous cells and can cause the death of these cells. These phytochemicals have been shown to decrease the chromosomal damage caused by cyclophosphamide, a drug which is used in chemotherapy. Now, number 1. Avocados are nutrient-rich. Avocado is a nutrition star. It contains 20 different types of vitamins and minerals, and according to the USDA National Nutrient Database, 1/5 of an avocado, which is 40 grams, there are approximately 6 grams of fat, 3.4 grams of carbohydrates, less than a gram of sugar, and almost 3 grams of fiber. It's not only that, avocados are a great source of vitamins C, E, K, B5, B6, folate, and potassium. It also contains a little bit of magnesium, manganese, iron, phosphorus, and vitamins A, B1, B2, and B3. Well, now since I have mentioned all of these vitamins, well, what do they do? Vitamin C plays an important role in producing collagen, which is a major component of connective tissues that helps make several parts of the body, including the skin. It also helps in wound healing, and its antioxidant activity helps in reducing the risk of cancer. For vitamin E, according to the National Institute of Health, the free radicals which is produced in the body as a result of normal bodily function shortens the life of cells. Vitamin E is an antioxidant which reduces this free radical and thus slowing the aging process of your cells. Vitamin K produces proteins such as prothrombin, which is important for blood clotting and bone metabolism. This protein decreases the blood clotting time and prevents excessive bleeding. Now, what about vitamin B? This vitamin has a great impact on the energy level, brain function, and cellular metabolism of our body. Vitamin B also helps to prevent infections and helps promote cell health. So with all these minerals in it, avocado is truly an all-rounder of nutrients. Now, if you like this video, then give us a thumbs up below and also make sure to press the subscribe button and press the bell icon to keep up to date with brain-forty foods. Till next time, we'll see you in the next video.